In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a timestamp with this trick here in Google Sheets. So you're working on a spreadsheet where you have to document the date and time a project was submitted. So in this example, that is exactly what we're going to do. And if you don't have the time to look at the date, the exact date, or the exact time that your students have submitted their projects to you, one way you can do it would be with this simple trick, and that trick is to use the now function. So I'm going to do that right here. Let's say this student has just submitted her project, which is entitled this, and I want to make sure that I document the date and time that she has submitted that, just to be accurate enough to tally those people who have submitted as early as they could. So what I'm going to do is to just put it right here next beside my cell where I'm going to put in that timestamp. Put in the equal sign. Again, this is a function which is called now. And you'll see right here, we have the description that it will tell you the current date and time as a date value. So if we press enter right here, it will give us a preview of the date and time right now. So if we press enter, there we have it. So if I double click on that, you'll see that we have the date in this format and the time, including the seconds. So the next step would be to just copy this, Control-C or Command-C on your keyboard, and paste it by right-clicking and selecting Paste Special, then going to Values Only. Now we're only copying this with Values Only because this function automatically updates with any changes that you do within your spreadsheet. So it's not going to be giving us this same date, so we're only copying that value as we have entered it during the time that this student has submitted their project. So you can't go wrong with this. It's as accurate as you want it to be. So if we delete that and do it again, let's say we want to document the time that this person, Daniel Kim, has submitted his project, which is named this, and we're going to do that again. So equal sign, type in now, press enter, and here we have it. Copy that. Right click and paste special, values only. There we have it. As soon as we've pasted this, you'll see that again, this is automatically updated into a different time, which is now. And of course, if you want to change the format, you can always go to format here in the menu bar, select number and go to custom date and time. If we click on that, we can now select the exact format we want for that timestamp. If you want to include the day of the week, you can do that. Or a different format where we use the 12-hour format for our time, you can do that as well. So if we click on this and select apply, that will be applied to our timestamp right here. If we copy this, let's say copy and paste format only, we have done the same thing to our other timestamp. And there you have it. That's how accurate and easy it is to include a timestamp by using the now function here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.